Okay.
Congressman, dinideny po kayo ng ICI. Wala daw silang kiniklear dun sa wala daw silang kiniklear dun sa kanilang findings.
Well, nabasa niyo naman ho yung statement natin. Nabasa din naman ho natin ang statement na pinalabas ng ICI. Tama ho ICI. Sinabi po nila na wala silang finding of guilt or liability on the part of Congressman Romualdez, the former speaker, which was actually my statement as well. So hindi ko alam kung sa ano ang nire-refute doon, pero yun din naman ho ang sinabi ko sa nauna kong statement. Ito po'y bilang tugon, just to provide context, dun sa unang sinabi ni Congressman Toby Chanco na merong recommendation to file cases of plunder. At mabuti na lang ho na mismong ICI na ngayon ang nagklaro by their subsequent clarification na wala silang ganung findings but nirecommend nila for further investigation.
Actually, ang takbo kasi, pareho kayo ni Toby Chanco. Si Toby Chanco sabi niya merong liability, kayo sabi niyo clear. Ang sabi po ng ICI, wala naman daw silang ganon, kiniklear or ang sabi nila, ang rekomendasyon nila sa ombudsman is for further investigation ng mga kung sino-sinong mga personalities na in-interview nila.
Miss Ami, ang sinabi ho ko sa statement ko, binasa ko lang ho yung language mismo ng ICI mula doon sa original nilang referral. Sabi doon, we found, I'm trying to get the copy of the, ang sabi nila doon na we found no finding. So, sabi nila, we issued without any finding or conclusion of guilt or liability. Yun lang ho ang sinabi ko. That is in answer to the statement ni Congressman Chanco na sinasabi niya na nag-recommend ng filing of cases of plunder ang ICI. I hope wala akong nadagdag sa statement ko. Klaro ko po ang sinabi ko. Sabi ko, eto, verbatim from my original statement. The ICI referral itself, signed by the retired Supreme Court Justice Andres Reyes, explicitly state the referral is issued without any finding of or conclusion of guilt or liability on the part of former Speaker Martin Romualdez. The same statement was reiterated in the press release that was issued yesterday. The statements in the referral clearly shows that the ICI did not make a determination of innocence or guilt on the part of former Speaker Romualdez.
Pero
consistent po ako sa statement ko.
Pero Congressman, it doesn't necessarily mean he was cleared.
Well, ako, based on my statement, is that there was no determination of guilt or liability. Whether that amounts to however it's interpreted, I simply read into the language. And, you know, we have to put in context the statement where it came from. Diba? It was in response to the accusation that charges of plunder, there was a recommendation to file cases of plunder, which in this case, the ICI itself has confirmed that they did not.
Congressman, nakakuha ba kayo ng advance copy ng Kasi matagal na media nang hihingi ng kopya ng report na yon eh.
Hindi na.
Pareho kayo ni Congressman Chanco, may advance.
Ma'am, yung kopya ng ICI referral, alam niyo kung saan ko nakita? Sa philstart.com, what posted way back in November. In fact, I'm
yung original yon. Yung original, hindi yung final.
Ayun po.
Hindi yun yung final report sa ombudsman.
Hindi, yung nakita ko, yung pinost ng philstar.com was the same document that I quoted from, that was issued by the ICI itself as a referral to the ombudsman.
Kasalanan talaga ng Philippine Star yan.
So,
ngayon ba, bumabalik sa'yo, Ami?
I was asking...
Kasi hinihingi namin ng kopya. No, yung actual na binigay sa ombudsman, humihingi kami ng kopya eh. Wala kaming kopya nun eh. Yung actual na dokumento.
Oo. Miss Ami, actually nagtataka din ako kasi doon sa article sa Philstar, sinabi doon na they don't know how I came about with the document, yung referral. I said like, I simply quoted the document that was posted by Philstar way back in November.
Di November pa pala.
Pero
Baka
ano, kaya
nagbago.
nga, hindi yun yung,
Oo.
hindi yung sinubmit sa, kasi yung sa ombudsman ang kapal-kapal eh.
Oo. Baka iba
Kaya
yung...
wala
that
kaming
included
nababasang
the
ganon,
annexes, I think, Miss Ami, it included the annexes, but the referral itself
Oo.
included the 2-page document that was posted in Philstar.com.
Actually,
in
it
your
was
Noong
earlier.
November.
It was released
Noong
earlier.
November.
It was released earlier than November.
November pa, last year pa.
Hindi yan yung final report na binigay sa ombudsman.
No, it doesn't come from that final
Oo.
report. It was
Hindi
an
yun yun.
earlier referral.
Oo.
I remember this was way back before pa.
Yeah. Kasi merong yun yung...
What, could
Hindi
it
namin
have
alam kung ano
changed ba?
sinasabi ngayon ng
Parehas
ng
lang.
ICI.
Wala
kasi
namang nag-meeting
may sinabmit
na.
sila sa ombudsman eh. Yun yung hinihingi namin na hanggang ngayon, kahit ang ombudsman, hindi nire-release.
Pero Ami,
Ako,
Hindi namin.
pero Ami, parehas yung
Ako I
statement eh.
only refer to the document na present
Yeah.
na posted doon last November of last year pa.
Saka
Yeah, so
practically,
November yun, no?
practically parehas lang eh. Na neither...
Hindi ko alam eh. I wouldn't know.
Oh, dahil ang sinabi lang naman nila last year at saka yesterday ay wala silang sinasabi na guilty or innocent conclusion. Yun din lang sinabi last year.